So I feel better. I think that I have more confidence. I understand more that I need to talk more and think less. And I really improved my English. My name is Yuval Mor. I'm 30 years old. I am strategic consultant in BBDO IM. It's a boutique company under the agency of BBDO. So I think that the first problem of mine was the confidence. I knew what I want to say, but I hadn't the confidence to say and to talk with people, especially at work. And the second problem of mine is the grammar. I choose the English Express course because I love the method. I heard a lot of recommendation about the course. And I think that the main reason is that the students live the English all the week, all the time, day to day, on daily basis. So it's not just that I need to come to a class once in a week, and it's not really help. So I already recommend to my friends and my colleagues. I think for all the people in my age that they feel that they don't have confidence or they don't have fluent English, it could be business people or startupists, but not just them. I really didn't believe that I can to talk in front of people in English for 50 minutes. It was like a dream, and I don't believe that I did it. And I feel amazing that I did it, and it's a success, and I get a lot of compliments from the people here. So it's amazing. I have a sister that lives in the US, and she was in shock. Their husband always laughed at my English. And now they are here, they come to Israel to vacation, and I feel, I feel natural to talk with them in English, and it was good. And I have a friend that I talk with them, and I think that the English body, when I was in the start, and now it's crazy.